Hi guys, we're gonna play Roblox. We're gonna do something, a play, a novel, I think. Come on, let's go now. Come on. Okay, here we go.
Congratulations po sa TV Patrol.
This is my avatar. Okay. Okay. Look at this fat. He's so fat.
Inilabas ang friend rod.
Oh, I just wanted to do my shoot. Just skip it. Come on, Dad. Finally, we were done. Come on, just pause the video, Dad. I'll just get up. Woo! Whoa. Where are the others even though? Yeah, that's my... Oh my...